Can anybody try telling 1 to 5 in Kannada? If anybody can try.
1 2 3 4 5
Very good. Keep going. That's great.
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.
Very good.
Okay, awesome. So I'll be sharing my screen now.
Double click on the title for any other.
Can you see my screen?
Sir, can you repeat 1 to 10 counting in Kannada?
Yes, sure.
Yes. 1 is ಒಂದು, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Is it okay?
Thank you, sir.
Yes. So 12 is ಹನ್ನೆರಡು. 13 is ಹದಿಮೂರು. 14 is ಹದಿನಾಲ್ಕು. 15 is ಹದಿನೈದು. 16 is ಹದಿನಾರು. Kindly don't annotate on my screen. 17 is ಹದಿನೇಳು. Yes, thank you. 18 is ಹದಿನೆಂಟು. 19 is ಹತ್ತೊಂಬತ್ತು. 20 is ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು. Now we'll be doing numbers 10 to 100 like the multiples of 10. Like 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on till 100. 10 is hattu. We already know. What is 20? Can anyone tell? What is 20?
ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು.
Very good. Awesome.
ಇಪ್ಪತ್ತು.
Great. 30 is ಮೂವತ್ತು. 40 is ನಲವತ್ತು. 50 is ಐವತ್ತು. Very good. 60 is ಅರವತ್ತು. Very good. I can see the children actively participating. Good. 70 is ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು. 70 is ಎಪ್ಪತ್ತು. 80 is ಎಂಬತ್ತು.
80.
Very good. 90 is ತೊಂಬತ್ತು.
90.
Great. 100 is ನೂರು. Very good.
ಆಟೋವಾಲ ನೂರು.
Yes. Now we will be learning the parts of the body. Does anybody have any idea what is ear known as in Kannada?
Kiwi.
Yes, you're right. Ear is kiwi.
Easy.
Yes. Eye is kannu.
Kiwi.
Yes, participants, make a note. The presenter is already on the next slide, and I'm very happy with the overwhelming response of the children. You are really motivating the presenters as well. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank
You
you.
are welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, next slide,
You
please.
are welcome.
I is Kannu.
Kannu. Kannu bhai dukan.
Kannu.
Kannu bhai dukan.
Next we have Can anyone repeat what is ear in Kannada?
Kiwi.
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 Yes, very good. Great. Next,
Kannu.
I.
Kannu.
I is Kannu.
Kannu.
Hand is
Kai.
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 Hand is Kai.
Kai.
Leg.
Kai.
Leg is Kalu.
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 Awesome.
Kalu.
Teeth is Hallu.
Hallu. Hallu. Hallu.
Yes.
Hallu.
Hallu.
Hallu. Hallu.
Hallu.
Some more parts of the body. Head is Tale.
Tale.
Yes.
Tale.
Awesome. Finger is Beralu.
Beralu.
Finger is Beralu.
Beralu.
Stomach is Hotte. Yes. Awesome. Stomach is Hotte. Skin is Charma. Yes. Charma. Skin is Charma. Chest is Yade. Chest is Yade. Back is Bennu.
Bennu.
Face is Mukha. Face is Mukha. Hair is Kudalu. Hair is Kudalu.
Kudalu.
Awesome. Nose is Mugu. Yes, Mugu. Tongue is Nalige.
Nalige.
Yes, great. Nails are Uguru.
Uguru.
Yeah. So let's discuss about colors now. Let's get colorful. Blue is Neeli.
Neeli.
Green is Hasiru.
Hasiru.
Yes, great. Awesome. Red is Kempu.
Kempu.
Yes, awesome. Kempu. White is Billy. Billy. Yes. Next we have black. Black is Kappu.
Kappu.
Awesome.
Kappu.
Yeah. Yellow is haladi.
Haladi.
black வந்து கர்நாடகா லாங்குவேஜ்ல கப்பு
Yellow is haladi. Yes. Next we have pink.
Haladi.
Pink is gulabi.
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 I'm very happy with this response. Purple is nerale.
Nerale.
Great.
Purple nerale.
Awesome. Brown is kandu.
Kandu.
So now we all know. Now here we have the tricolor or India flag. Now we'll be learning the colors of the India flag. Orange over here is kitale.
Kitale.
It's kitale. We have white, which is bili.
Billy.
Green is hasiru.
Hasiru.
Blue is neeli. Yes. Having currency.
Currency.
So here we can see a rupees 10 note. So can anybody tell me what is 10 in Kannada? Hattu. Very good. So we can say for 10 rupees, we can say hattu rupai. Hattu rupai. Yes, very good. 20. You can see. Can anyone tell me what is 20? Yes. Yes. Let's call this. Yes. This is Ikattu rupai. 5. What is 5? Can anyone tell me? Yes. This is Aidu rupai. Here we can see 100 rupee note. Yes. Nuru rupai. Very good. Nuru rupai. Here 1000 rupee note. 1000 is savira. Yes, savira rupai. Savira rupai. 1000 is savira rupai.
Participants, again a request. Kindly do not create such a noise. I know you all are excited children, but little if we can mute ourselves, we'll be able to go ahead with the session pretty smoothly. Thank you.
Next, let's see what we have. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
Just a minute.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute. Kindly mute yourselves, please. So now I'll be sharing my screen.
No.
Okay, can everyone see my screen?
Yes.
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 Yes,
So
sir.
after Savira
Can you
Rupai,
start?
here we can see a 10 rupee note plus a 20 rupee note. So 20 rupees plus 10 rupees. What does it become?
Movattu rupai.
Rupai.
Awesome. It becomes Muvattu Rupai, which is 30 rupees. Great.
3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ.
Now we have time. What does this clock show? Tell me in English.
9
What
o'clock.
time? Yes,
9 o'clock.
this is 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
So this is Ombattu Ghante. We say
9
Ghante.
ಗಂಟೆ.
Yes.
9 ಗಂಟೆ.
R is Ghante.
ಗಂಟೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆ.
Yes, great. Here we have 10 o'clock and 10 minutes.
10 2
Minutes is
22.
10 o'clock.
2 ಗಂಟೆ.
no. This is 10 gante 10 nimisha. This is 10 gante 10 nimisha. Nimisha is minutes. Gante is hours. So it is 10 hours and 10 minutes. Am I clear?
Yes, yes.
10
ಗಂಟೆ ನಿಮಿಷ.
So I would like to thank all the participants. Hope you liked this session.
Very well presentation. Can you
Thank
hear
you.
me please?
Where is the next session?
Thank you.
Can you hear me please?
Yes, thank you, Agastya.
Hello.
Yes, sir, you are saying something. We would like to hear you.
Sir, when
Hello.
is the next session?
Very well,
Yes.
thank you ma'am.
Thank you so much. And
Very well, thank
information with regards to the upcoming webinars will be given on Agastya's YouTube channel, which is called The Legend. So we are sending the feedback link. Kindly send your feedback. And in the feedback session, you will have the Q&A session where you can post your queries, which will be settled at the earliest. And also, you will be getting the link or getting the updates on the upcoming webinars.
Okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
everybody. Yes,
Ma'am, I have one question.
yes, please.
Ma'am, while learning
Hello.
Kannada is a easy while learning Kannada is a easy language or difficult, ma'am?
It is very easy, actually. You should have the open mind for learning any language. At any age, we can learn anything. So please do not keep yourself
ma'am.
under.
I am from Tamil Nadu. It's 70% like the Tamil language, ma'am. No.
See, all the languages I would say are very pleasing. But definitely the state where you are living, you need to understand and you need to grasp that language so that it is very easy for you to sustain in that particular city. And all
Okay,
the
ma'am,
languages. Yes.
I am very enjoyed this session, ma'am. It's very
You
useful
like the
for
session?
me in COVID-19.
I didn't get you. Hello.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Ma'am,
Though the sound is a
ma'am,
little low. Yes.
Ma'am, I very enjoyed this session, ma'am. It is very useful to me in COVID-19, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you for you, ma'am,
Thank you for
organizing
enjoying.
this.
Yes. Thank you, Agastya Kumar, for taking the session. And actually, I'm very happy the type of
Thank you.
response. The children also were related and they were responding really well. But yes, we have
Okay,
to
ma'am.
just ask them to mute because it creates a little disturbance. But overall,
Thank you,
a very good
ma'am.
session. Thank you, children. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Kindly fill in the feedback link, a feedback form. The link is already provided to you all in the chat box. You can go ahead and fill your responses. Thank you all. Stay home, stay safe.